Hey guys, how are you? It's Samantha coming to you live from my treatment room. Just trying to move that thing out of my way. Anyways, it's February 1st. Happy February. We survived the first cold month of the year, which means we only have 2 more to go. Yay! I'm so excited. I'm not a winter person. Winter is not my favorite season, so tomorrow the countdown to 6 weeks begins, with it being Groundhog Day. I don't know why I'm such a dork, but I love Groundhog Day, and I think because it gives me hope that spring is right around the corner. Anyways, with February comes lots of great things. We have Valentine's Day. We have lots of love. Hi, Sabrina. Speaking of Valentine's Day, Sabrina is my favorite Valentine's person because her favorite shape is a heart, and her whole house is decorated in hearts. So she's so cute with that. I always think of my sister when I think of Valentine's Day. But there is a new video series that I wanted to start today, and it's something that's new and dear to my heart too, because it's something I've been suffering with. And I know a lot of you are too. And I've talked to a lot of people in my industry and just in general. And 2018 is the year that they really want to start taking better care of themselves. So I am dedicating February to Self-Care Month. I want to start a movement too. So what I want to do is I want you to start posting pictures on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. Hashtag it selfcaremovement. I'm going to start doing the same thing. I just want to create awareness, and I want people to think about self-care as something that you do for yourself. When you think of self-care, you probably think massage, facial, nails, stuff to pamper yourself. It goes beyond that, and that's what I want to focus on this month. So self-care is more than just getting a facial, just getting a massage. It's more about how you feed your soul. What do you do every single day? Do you do things to make you feel good? I'm a single mom of 3, so I have very little free time. I also run a business, and I'm trying to build my speaking business, so I have a lot going on in my life. But one thing, I did steal your line, didn't I? Sorry. One thing that I do every single night is after my kids go to bed, I sit in my room, I do my computer work, but I also journal before I go to bed. And then when I go to bed, I put earbuds in and I put some soft meditation music on, and that's how I fall asleep. The goal is for me to relax and to end my day on a positive note. That is what I do for me every single day. So I want to focus this month. What is it you do for yourself? And it can be as simple as start washing your face morning and night. It could be start journaling right when you get up. If you have a dream, or if you have a lot of thoughts, jot it all down grab a notebook, buy a notebook. I'm a notebook junkie, as you all know. But get a notebook, keep it by your bed, and if you have your thoughts racing before you go to bed, just start writing it all down. It's one thing that you're doing for yourself, and it's getting it off your chest, out of your heart and out of your mind, and you're releasing it into the world. Another thing I want to talk about is, it's funny because I have a story that I want to share with you. Last night, I was sitting with my 10-year-old. After he took a shower, I had put my little ones to bed, and him and I were chatting. And my daughter, I took her to the beauty supply store the other day because she wasn't feeling well, and she always loves to get nail polish there. And I didn't do her nails. I completely forgot. And it was sitting on the desk, and my 10-year-old goes, "Mom, how come you don't paint your nails?" And I thought about it. I'm like, I don't know. It was never anything that's been important to me. And so I was sitting there, we're talking, and I painted my nails. And as you can see, I actually did it. All night long, I was like a little kid. I was like staring at my nails and like all like excited, and I was like pointing at things. I'm like, they look so pretty. I forgot how nice it is to have my nails done. So that was like yesterday. I'm like, that was my self-care tip that I did for me, and I didn't even think about it until he said it to me. And it's really sad that my kids are asking me why I don't take care of myself. So I am going to do this journey along with you. So today, do something for you. And I just wanted to share that with you because I want you to realize that just because I'm in the business to take care of people doesn't mean that I'm doing it for myself. 2018, I really, really want to focus on me. Whether it's painting my nails, whether it's journaling. And it's funny, I have some notes here because I wanted to I wanted to make sure I got all my points in. So for me, once a month, my goal in 2018 is to get pampered. Last month, my sister Sabrina was so sweet and gave me an awesome massage on my birthday. And if you don't know my sister, she is an amazing massage therapist. She also has 2 therapists who I've also had massages from who are also amazing. So if anybody needs a good massage, let me know and I will hook you up. The other thing is this month, my friend is giving me a facial, which I'm so excited about because I can't tell you when the last time I had a facial. I think it was before I moved to Texas. So honestly, like, I don't do this stuff. So in February, my goal is to get a facial. And also I'm going to Arizona next weekend, which I'm so excited about. So I'm actually going to treat myself to a pedicure, which again, I was living in Texas last time I had a pedicure. So these things are important. Tomorrow, I'm going to talk about feeding your soul because we all have something inside of us that we need to take care of. Whether it's, it could be anything. It could be something as simple as sitting down at the end of the day with a glass of wine and a good book. That's feeding your soul. It could be sitting in a coffee shop with a nice, just smelling the aroma of the coffee, and just sipping it so gently on a nice cold day. Those little things you don't think about. That is so important and that feeds your soul. So tomorrow I'm going to share my Feed Your Soul tips. So if you guys have any questions or comments, or if you want to comment below and let me know your self-care tips, because I want to start sharing this. Like I said, today I just wanted to share my story and share what I'm going with this. And I want you to start posting your pictures. I'm going to put another picture of my hands on Instagram and Facebook, and I'm going to hashtag it self-care-movement. So I want to see you guys start posting. And let's make this fun. Let's do fun things about it. Like if you're sitting in a coffee shop, take a picture of yourself sitting alone. Do something nice for yourself every single day. You are worth it. So thank you for tuning in. I can't wait till tomorrow to share my Feed Your Soul tips, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great night.